Shot clock, 11 seconds. 11 seconds to shoot. 10. Foul on number 13, Kenyon Paigane. That's his first. Jump ball.
Yun, dalhin mo yung bulas yun.
15 seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot. 10.
Oy! Wala.
Shot clock, 14 seconds.
Agaw, agaw. Kanan yun.
Idol, boss idol. Boss idol. Boss idol. Miss Meg, doon naman ayos eh. Ito naman si boss.
Ice. Yeah.
Kenyon Paigane.
Yun!
Nice, bro.
Tira!
Okay na.
Suelo.
Ule. Nice, bro. Defense.
Uli, uli. Uli. Uli.
Okay, empty na.
Empty na.
Empty na.
Uli, uli.
Uli. Nice, bro.
Yun mo na. Oy! Oy!
Tatlo. 6 points. 6 points. Sayang. Defense.
Yes. Good.
Oh, bakbak na ulit.
Yan. O, balik, balik. Tira. 2 points. Uli, uli. Bola.
Shot clock is off. 10 seconds.
Tira.
5. Substitution. Foul on number 12, Ale Legalva. That's his second personal foul.
Penoy balik. Lat na. Penoy collab. Ay. Makslang.
4 seconds.
Nice, bro. Sayang. Gugpa, sige, diretso nyo.
And on the first half score, 20-25 in favor of Infinite.